Aloha and mahalo for joining me. I'm Janin and I have a question for you. Do you have a protruding tummy that you want to camouflage or hide? You know, a lot of us have tummies after a certain age or after you've had children, or if you're just getting older and you have, change in hormones. There's a lot of situations or a lot of things that happen where we tend to get a little bigger on the midsection. And that tends to be kind of like a really self-conscious area for women that, we want to really hide it, even though it's there. We know it's there and people can see it's there. But, there are little things that you could do to hide your protruding tummy. And one of them is to actually use a structured jacket. And it's got straight lines to it. And so there's a lot of benefits to wearing something like this. And of course, if you're working in an air-conditioned building or it's cold outside, this is, a good thing to wear, right? But if you're in a hot area, we have to talk about other things that you could do in another video. But one of the benefits of wearing a structured jacket is that it has lines that kind of take the eye away from the body. And especially this front line here, you can see as the neckline comes down at the end of the jacket, it tends to just kind of move the eye away. And it also helps that this jacket, because it's stiffer, it actually pulls out away from the body, which actually helps to take the eye away. This is a really good technique if you have a lot of these jackets that you can wear. I've added to my dress form here, I've added a little padding. Not much because the shirt is kind of too tight, but this kind of just shows a little bit how, from here your eye just tends to go out. And if you want to make sure that people are not paying attention to this part of the tummy, that's what this jacket will do, is it'll just take the eye out away from it. And of course, if you have other little details too, sometimes it could distract the eye and not really pay attention to your tummy. But sometimes it could, right? Depending on where the detail is. Like this is, a brass colored zipper and a button, and it's right here in line with the tummy. So you have to make sure that it's not having them pay attention to your tummy. But most of the time, people's eye, what a jacket will do is just take the eye down and away. And that's sometimes what the straight buttons will do if you wear like a button down shirt. Sometimes the buttons, because it's in a vertical line, it'll just take the eye either up or down. That's something that you could do if you're really self-conscious about your tummy and you don't want people looking at it. And there's things on us that we really don't want people looking at, even though it's there. We know it's there and they know it's there. But this is a good way of just getting the eye away from your self-conscious area. And I hope you try this. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And please leave a comment and let me know what you think. And if this is something that you think would work for you. And please subscribe to this channel so that I can share all the things that I know with you about how to dress well for your body type, or things that you could do. If you don't have a structured jacket, try to use maybe a shirt that you have that you could layer over. Not everybody likes wearing a structured jacket like this, but if you have more of like a straight button down shirt that's more on the stiff side, you could also use that as an alternative to a structured jacket. Just layer it over another shirt and just leave it unbuttoned. That'll kind of help take the eye away from this midsection. And this midsection is a pretty common area that a lot of people struggle with. When we gain weight, that seems to be the first place that it goes for a lot of people. It's not true for all, but what I've seen and all the women that I work with, the midsection tends to be the most common area where people gain weight. So let's just try to distract people. I mean, of course people have to accept us the way we are. But sometimes we're a little self-conscious and we do want to hide that area. So these are just some of the things that you could do just to kind of move the eye away from that area too. And of course, different colored jackets are nice too. I also have a 20-minute complimentary consultation with me. If you'd like to work with me, I can show you how to dress well for your body type. There's a link in the show notes, and so click on that link if you are interested, and we can schedule a call together, and I would love to help you. I'm so grateful for you being here and watching this video, and if you know anybody who could get great value out of watching these videos, please share this video. Click on the link below this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Aloha.